Hello, if you're thinking of joining one of our Facebook type 2 diabetes groups, and there are currently 4 of them, the main ones, and we also have a prayer group, a craft group, and a resource center. These are the guidelines that we follow. So if you're ready, have joined, or if you're thinking of joining, you need to see this so you know that what we follow, what lifestyle, life plan, way of eating we follow. And this can be changed at any time we want to, but right now these are the main proponents. And we follow a low carb, high healthy fat guideline, keeping total carbs under 50. Many do better with less than 30. I myself do 30. We count total carbs. No grains, breads, beans, potatoes, rice, pasta, carrot, peas, corn. Use only natural oils. Fats from olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, bacon, fat, lard. And in our resource center you will find articles that support this way of eating. And we eliminate processed foods and shop for local fresh veggies when at all possible. The compliance sweeteners listed on the group sweetener list for a diabetic. Now you'll find those if you go into one of the groups and you look under albums and files. You'll find all sorts of lists that will help you along your journey. Aim to drink half your body weight in ounces of water or liquid per day. You can count coffee or tea in with that. Anything with additional carbs I wouldn't count, like hot chocolate, or even if you're thinking, well, it's low carb, but it's not really low carb because you're adding more ingredients. Try not to eat after 6 p.m. or at least 4 hours before bedtime. In the long run, that'll help keep your fasting blood sugar, which you take right away in the morning. That will help lower that. That's always the hardest number to lower. Search the group files for food lists, graphs, and answers to questions. And I will try to post some of those graphs and charts on here for you, so as an additional resource to look at. This group follows, discusses, and educates only these low carb, high fat guidelines. Of course, everyone has free will. If you do not wish to follow, discuss these guidelines, please find a group that you are more in agreement with. We aim to get you on the lowest amount of medication you need to obtain a normal blood sugar reading. Many have done it through diet alone. Take a look at the food list and stay under 50 carbs or whatever it takes to get you into the normal blood sugar readings. Arguing rude behavior, posting ads, videos, non-compliant links, like with recipes, we have to approve them to make sure that all the ingredients are compliant or come from our food list. Or unnecessary drama will be removed, and possible member removal upon the discretion of the administration and moderators. These are not the only guidelines of the group, and our team reserves the right to add or modify them at any time. You might want to make a copy of this or add it to your favorites, bookmark it, whatever. Look at it from time to time. So you know what we follow when you ask a question. And if someone gives a wrong answer, we will correct it or delete it and message them and tell them why it was deleted. So I'll have the links for the groups below in the description. So please have a look at our groups, and if it's something that you're interested in, read the rules follow the rules, and I can guarantee you it'll be a lot better for you. And be sure to be your own best healthcare advocate. Don't believe everything the doctors say. You have to know your own body and how it works. And most doctors are not educated in nutrition, and they follow the old ADA way of eating. So thanks for watching, and I will be back with another video soon. Bye for now.